and relaxed mind and enjoy yourselves. There's a lot of innovations here. Sometimes you'll see the characters playing different roles. Please accept. Okay, there was a country once, long time ago, where the people would change their king every year. The person who would become the king had to agree to a contract whereby he would be sent to an island known as Kaldip. You can see the Kaldip on your left and right hand side. That is the Kaldip. After his 1 year of being a king, each year the king would finish his term, and it was time for him to be banished and go to the island and live there. The king spent their 1 year enjoying all the luxury, never giving a thought for the Allah and the people, spending every moment in pleasure and entertainment, wasting each moment of their time. And now we see what kind of king is here. Stop. Oh, hold on. Pinky. Sorry for this. It's all this technologies that is troubling us. Okay. Oh, it's gone. The sound is gone. Put this. Now you see what kind of king we had for 1 year. And now this time has come for him to be banished, and all of a sudden he remembers of his maker now. And he realizes his mistakes and calls for help. He says, Ya Khuda, अब मेरी मदद कर, या खुदा तू कहाँ है, या खुदा. was rescued by these boatmen.
कोई बचाओ, कोई है, बचाओ, कोई डूब रहे हैं, बचाओ, बचाओ, बचाओ। नौका में डालो, इसको नौका में डालो। चलो, चलो।
उसको बिठा दो, छींटा मारो पानी का। Taken to their home and the people give him shelter.
आप सुल्तानपुर में हैं, आपकी तबीयत ठीक नहीं है, आप हमारे साथ चलिए, हमारे घर चलिए।
This young man is very curious to know about the country where he landed and goes to find out about the place and its people. He comes. He goes round and in the afternoon when he is hungry, he comes to the marketplace and sees that the market is not yet ready. Please excuse the market people, they have not. ठीक है, yeah. Yeah, it's not yet time for them to open their shop. After going around the place for some time, it's afternoon, and he has come to the marketplace and he wants some naan to buy, to eat. Go and buy some naan. Salim, please go and buy, the shop is open. Salim, you have to go, the shop is open. If you stop talking, you will be able to hear at the side.
क्या बात है मियाँ? आप बहुत नाराज, बहुत सोच विचार में पड़े हैं।
क्या बताऊँ आपको मैं सिर्फ परेशान ही नहीं हूँ, दुखी भी बहुत हूँ। मेरे 2 नौकर हैं, मगर उनको देने के लिए मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है। अब क्या करूँ? पैसा तो देना ही है ना, तनख्वाह तो देना ही है, लेकिन कोई ग्राहक ही नहीं आता। घड़ी की सुई बढ़ती आगे बढ़ती चली जा रही है, वक्त बढ़ता चला जा रहा है, लेकिन मेरे पास कोई ग्राहक नहीं आता। तिजारत बंद पड़ी हुई है।
आपको मैं एक सलाह दूं?
हाँ जी जरूर बताइए।
आप हमेशा लोगों से लोगों के लिए दुआ मांगिए।
मैं दूसरों के लिए मदद क्यों दुआ मांगूं?
आप जब लोगों के लिए दुआ मांगेंगे तो फरिश्ते आमीन कहेंगे और अल्लाह ताला आपकी आप हमेशा मुस्कुराते रहिए और लोगों के लिए दुआ मांगते रहिए। अल्लाह ताला का शुक्रगुजार करिए। इस तरह लोग आपकी तरफ से खिंचे चले आएंगे और अल्लाह ताला आपकी रोजी रोटी में बरकत ही बरकत देंगे।
आमीन आमीन।
अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ले अला, अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ले अला मोहम्मद व आले मोहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ले अला मोहम्मद व आले मोहम्मद। अल्लाहुम्मा सल्ली अला मोहम्मद व आले मोहम्मद।
तेरे दरबार में दिल थाम के वो आता है, जिसको तू चाहे है नबी तू बुलाता है। तेरे दर पर सर झुकाए मैं भी आया हूँ, जिसकी बिगड़ी हाय नबी चाहे तू बनाता है।
The next few days, Salim notices that the common people are very pious. He comes across women in the village filling water from the river. They sing Mahi Yaar di Ghadoli Bhardi. They carry ghadas on their head, but even whilst walking, talking, think of the Lord, praying that their ghada, meaning themselves, be filled with devotion, which is depicted by the water. This is a dance. This is a song by the famous Pakistani Sufi singer Abida Parvin. She explained that when the gopis carry ghada on their head, they all the time remember their Lord. And he notices that people remember saints like Meera, whose chains get broken just by uttering her Lord's name. He is so overcome by their devotion that he joins them singing praise of the saint Hassan Hussain, who fought against his enemy, who were corrupt and who killed him and severed his head from his body and paraded it. But when the time came to bury him, his head miraculously joined to the body. Please enjoy this. this, the people proposed Salim to be their king. Salim is proposed to be the king. The ministers asked him, would he become their king? Asked him whether they would become his king.
आप लोग थोड़ा ये भी सोच लीजिए कि हम लोगों की उम्रें क्या हैं और हम लोग जो कुछ कर रहे हैं उसको सोचिए और इसलिए थोड़ा सा ग्रेस मार्क थोड़ी सी गलतियाँ हो रही हैं उसमें थोड़ा सा ग्रेस मार्क हमारी उम्रों को सामने रखिए।
हम अभी क्या चाहिए?
आपको राजा बनाना चाहते हैं, क्या आपको मंजूर है? मंजूर है। फिर एक शर्त आपको माननी पड़ेगी। वो शर्त ये है कि सुल्तानपुर में राजा सिर्फ 1 साल के लिए ही बनाया जाता है और 1 साल बनाने के बाद उसको कालद्वीप में भेज दिया जाता है। क्या आपको मंजूर होगा कि 1 साल के बाद आप कालद्वीप में भेज दिए जाएंगे? हाँ, मुझे मंजूर है क्योंकि मैं ये जानता हूँ कि यहाँ के लोग बहुत ही अल्लाह ताला को मानने वाले हैं, इसलिए मैं राजा बनने के लिए तैयार हूँ। ठीक है, अभी फिर हम आपको राजा स्वीकार करते हैं। राज लाओ।
पहले वाली सर से पगड़ी उतार दो, फिर ही फिट होगा। Salim lived a very simple life, always keeping in mind his Allah, changed the rules for betterment of the country and developed new economy and education. After a month passed, he asked the ministers if they would take him to the island where all the other kings were sent. They agreed and they took him to the island. Yes, now the island boatman, please take him to the island. Put the music.
मुझे आइलैंड देखने चलना है।
Animals were heard coming out of it. The new king ventured a little to see how it was and discovered the bodies of all the past kings. He understood that they were the skeletons of the past kings. And the island and the animals they found the islands and the animals killed them. The young new king then went back to the country and requested the people to provide him with 100 strong men. he asks for 100 strong men to take to the island.
मुझे 100 आदमी चाहिए उस कालद्वीप में जाने के लिए, उस कालद्वीप को इस नगरी की तरह सुंदर बनाने के लिए। हो जाएगा।
He was provided with 100 workers. He took them to the island and told them to come and all the deadly and kill all deadly animals and to cut down all the trees. He would visit the island every month to see how the work was progressing. अभी वो